Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will tell about final exam pronunciation semester 1 with lecture Mrs. Dini Hidayati MPD, made by me, Puput Amelia from English Education. Okay, on this occasion, I will answer some questions. They are: 1. Explain based on your opinion why we need to learn pronunciations. The answer is, cause pronunciations is the key to mastering the English language. Without correct pronunciations, the vocabulary that you know will be less effective when communicating. It's always better to know fewer words and pronounce them well than to know a lot of words and pronounce them badly. Next, explain the definitions of long vowel and short vowel and give the example. Long vowel is a vowel sound that is pronounced the same way as the name of the letter itself. For example, the long U sound is pronounced like Q, as will be the case in words like lure and tube. By contrast, the short U sound is pronounced more like as in words like coop and tube. Short vowel are vowel sounds that are pronounced in a short form. For example, a, I, u, e, o, or at, egg, eat, ox, and up. Questions 3. Explain the definition of diphthong and give the example. Diphthong is a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable, in which the sound begins as one vowel and moves toward another, as in coin, loud, and side. For example, diphthong examples is the word oil. Here, I have two vowels working side by side, and together they create a sound different than anything O or I alone can produce. And that's just stretching the surface. Next, questions 4. Explain based on your opinion why we need to spell the word correctly. Cause good spelling facilitates communication. By following the same rules for spelling words, we can all understand the next we read, and good spelling avoids confusions. In a way, spelling is a bit like sports. It's up to the person passing the ball to make sure the receiver actually catches it. The same goes for spelling. If you write with intent and proper spelling, the receiver of that text will understand it. And then, explain the definition of homonym and give 5 examples. Homonym is a word that is said or spelled the same way as another word but has a different meaning. For example, white, weak, sun, sea, plain, and meat. Question 6. Explain the definition of homophone and give 3 examples. Homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning and is spelled differently. For example, hour, I, and no. And last questions. Explain the definition of homograph and give 3 examples. Homograph are words with the same spelling but having more than one meaning. For example, address, write, and call. Maybe enough my answer to that questions. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.